Here's the situation. You send out a spreadsheet to your team. They have to fill out certain information and return it to you. What you need is a way to force them to enter it consistently and correctly. Let's take a look at this example. Here I have a few items that I could ask for back, and on this row, these are my required formats. And these are some examples of the wrong format that I could get back. Here they used the correct month and day, but the wrong year. Over here they just typed in words. When I'm asking for a 0 or a 1, if they know that represents a yes or a no, again, same thing, they'll come back with words or just the letter. Y and N, they know it represents a yes or a no, they could spell it out. ID numbers are supposed to be 5 digits, let's say for example, and they'll accidentally enter one too many or make it short and not even notice. So I want a way for them to get a message right off the bat that they entered it wrong. And Excel has a way to do that. It's called data validation. I'm using Excel 2010, and on the data ribbon, that's where you find it. Now I already set these top ones up with data validation, so let's look at that. Choose data validation. And the criteria to allow, I chose date for this one, and I chose a range. The first of the year through the last of the year. If they choose or type in anything other than that, they're going to get a message. So let's check it out. 12/31/13. That's outside of the range. So they're going to get this message, and it won't accept it. If they try to type in words, same thing. Again, anything other than how I set it up. Over here, they're going to get the same message, but let's look how I set it up for a 0 or a 1. I used whole number between 0 and 1. If they type anything else, they're going to get that message. For a yes or a no, let's see how I set that up. I went to custom and typed in this formula saying what's acceptable is either a Y or an N. Anything else, they're going to get that message. Let's see how I set it up for this ID number. 5 digits long. I use text length equal to 5. Anything they type in here other than that is going to get that message. And this data validation, you have many choices to choose from right here. So you can just come over here and just poke around and explore and see what you need for your particular purpose. But this is a way to try to reduce data entry problems. Let me show you how I did that. I use data validation, and that is a way to solve this need.